Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you easy solutions to fix the Android phone ringtone issues. Let's get started. First of all, you have to open the phone settings and here you have to scroll down and go to the sound and vibration. So here you will see an option do not disturb. Make sure it is turned off. So after turning this off, you have to go back and you have to press the volume up button to increase the ringer volume. Here you can just adjust it according to your own choice, and you can just select the ringtones volume, notifications, media. Make sure valid ringtone is selected, and if it's still not working, you have to simple restart your phone because simple restart fixes temporary glitches. And you can also go to settings and check for the software update and reset all the settings. That's how you can fix your phone not ringing for incoming calls. Like, comment, and subscribe for more Android troubleshooting tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.